Hello everybody and welcome to another video for Mac User, and in this video we're just going to talk about the new software release update from macOS. So 26.5.1 was released a couple of days ago and we're just going to go into that. So let's get into it. So this is just a small little update that Apple have released. It looks like that the issue was with M5 chips and they unexpectedly shut down. So anything with that sort of, according to Apple, this update was not a new feature. It was just to focus on the stability and some bug issues. And the main bug issue was that Macs with the M5 chip seemed to be unexpectedly shut down. So for us poor people out there that haven't got an M5 machine, the update isn't that important for us. For anyone that's running an M5 chip, I'd highly recommend that you update your machine tonight. There is also some network filtering or security extensions and some enterprise environments. For most everyday users like browsing, streaming or editing, you probably won't notice this bug at all. But for the IT departments and the businesses and stuff like that, it's a security patch that you do need to update. On my machine, it automatically prompted me, did I want to do the update? Anyway, so two options you've got really with the update. So you can basically go into system settings, into general and software update. It will prompt you most probably already that it wants to do the restart, and it prompts you that it'll do it tonight or this evening. So you can either do it straight away, go away, get a cup of tea, come back and let the software update, or you can do it tonight. So the same method applies. On this particular video, I'm going to do the update tonight. So I click the update, it goes away, installs the software update, and then right at the end, it just prompts you that it will do a restart at some point in the evening. And then all I've done is the next day I've logged into the machine and you can see that the software update has completed. I do like the feature where you can just do the software update tonight instead of doing it straight away. So you click on the option, it goes away, does the installer, and then later on tonight it will just do the reboot and install the final part of the patch. Obviously, once you've got the software update done, it's always handy just to go into the machine just to make sure the applications are still working fine and you don't have any anomalies. Remember, this one was just a software update blip for machines with the issue of reboot, so the M5 Macs. There's no software update for Safari, so you're still working off Safari 26.5. There'll probably be a release of 26.6 at some point in the near distant future. But all fairness, in short, it's a small but important stability update to fix issues around the M5 Macs. Anyway, hope you found that one of use for you. Please drop a like, a subscribe for more Mac updates, and I'll see you on the next one. And as always, have a great day. Thanks for watching.